All right, y'all, today we're back in Waxahachie, Texas in the Myrtle Creek subdivision. It's a beautiful master plan community. It's got hiking and biking trails. It's got a master plan pool that's going in with a lazy river. It's got pickleball courts and all sorts of playgrounds and great activities. That's all covered in the HOA. That is $1,300 annually. But we're gonna be taking a look at this beautiful Coventry home behind me here. This is their Crockett plan. This one specifically is 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. It's got an office and a game room, and it is 3,380 square foot, and it's all on 1/3 of an acre, and it's priced just under $732,000. So it's a beautiful plan inside and out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of it now. All right, y'all, here we are on the inside of this beautiful Crockett floor plan by Coventry Homes. Got this nice, big, beautiful entryway door here. It's got kind of a pebbled glass look, letting in lots of natural light. And right off of the front here, we've got the office. Got double doors, closing that off. It's a really good size office here, and you've got a closet in here to keep everything organized, tucked away. And then you've got, it's all wired up. It's got plenty of plugs on every single wall, and then data line coming in. And you've got 2 windows looking out to the front yard. So just outside of this one here, you can see walking paths that I was talking about, and then one of the playgrounds and common areas. This neighborhood has been taking shape for well over a year now, and it's really cool to see. So this way, you've got a mud bench area right off of the 2-car garage. This is really a 2.5-car garage. You may have seen on the intro, another looked like a garage door. It's kind of a 1/2-car, but this is a 2-car garage right here. We've got a sprinkler system over here for the whole yard, breaker panel, and then tankless hot water heater for the whole home. And this does have gas. The home does have gas utilities. So it's a gas tankless hot water heater. We've got a nice size laundry room right here for a full-size washer and dryer and storage area, and then you could definitely put a stand-up fridge or freezer right here. This door does go into the master closet. We'll go back that way in just a minute. Heading back into the entry and then into the nice big living room area. So we've got a gas heated fireplace inlet insert right there, and then nice big tray ceiling here in the living room. We've got really tall ceilings throughout this home. It's a 1-story home, so got a lot of space in here. So tons of cabinet storage here in the kitchen. Huge island right here that could probably seat, I mean, easily 6 to 7 stools. Got soft close cabinetry. Got the underlighting in the cabinets, and then nice big spot for your refrigerator right here. Really nice walk-in pantry here as well. Tons of space there. Got Whirlpool appliances, and then we got this nice deep sink right here. Feels like a ceramic coated sink. And then faucet right there for the kitchen. We got a 5-burner gas range here from Whirlpool. And then this is vented outside. You can see the vent there. On the island, do have another Whirlpool appliance. It's the dishwasher there. And we've got two stacked ovens, so double ovens right here, and then the microwave above. Nice big dining room space with a tray ceiling in here as well. Got 3 windows looking directly out back. We've got 2 looking out to the huge back porch, and then a door out to the back porch. And then in the living room area, we've got 4 picture windows looking out to the backyard and back porch. I really like this floor plan, not only because it's all on one level, but it's just got every single bedroom has its own bathroom. So this bathroom right here, obviously company could use it, so it's not an ensuite bathroom, but the other 3 bathrooms are ensuite bathrooms. So this is really ideal for somebody, especially if you've got a multi-gen living situation, then this would be ideal. Got floor to ceiling tile there in the tub shower combo. Got a transom window with netting, letting in natural light there. Got the toilet and then the single vanity right here. And right off of there, you've got the game room. So all of these are picture windows. 3 of these smaller ones look off to the side of the home, and then 3 looking into the backyard. It's all wired up, ready to go. So if you wanted this to be a 5th bedroom, you definitely, could flex it that way. You'd have to add in a door here, but it's definitely doable. So here's another bedroom right here. Window off to the side of the yard. And then a nice big walk-in closet right here. Got a window in here as well. So tons of space in this closet. Got carpeting in the bedrooms, and then luxury vinyl plank in the common areas. This long hallway goes down to that half-car garage that I was telling you about. Perfect for storing, your lawn equipment or golf cart, whatever you have. Okay, here's another bathroom here attached. This is an ensuite bathroom attached to this bedroom here. Got a window looking out to the side. And here you've got tub shower combo with the tiling all the way up to the ceiling. And your toilet and your single vanity right here. And then you've also got a nice big closet in here as well. So this is on a corner lot. It's one of the bigger lots in the neighborhood, at 1/3 of an acre. Coventry has a lot of the bigger lots in here. And then we've got this one. This is a really cool layout right here. So as you come in, you're thinking, oh, that's a really tiny room. Well, no, this is like another sitting area, really. And you got a window right here. And then, so you've got a door that you can close off to this sitting area right here. And then you've got another door right here. So this is kind of like a little bit of an efficiency apartment without the kitchen utilities, but it's just down the hall from the kitchen. You got 2 windows looking out to the front yard. And then as we swing around right here, we've got a good sized closet here. And then another ensuite bathroom here. This ensuite bathroom has a walk-in shower. So this really would be perfect for, let's say maybe a parent that's moving in with you and you want them to have the ability to have a walk-in shower. This is beautifully done right here. Got a bench seat, tiling all the way to the ceiling. It's done really well. Then you got your toilet and the vanity there. So I think they did a really good job with this floor plan. It's a very, very useful floor plan. And this is really tucked away from the rest of the home here. And let's take a peek at this kind of half garage. It's listed as a two-car garage, and I think it's the right way to do it because, as you can see, this is pretty tiny. But you could definitely, fit a smaller golf cart in here, or all your lawn equipment, or your just different outdoor things that you want in here. If you wanted to, you could put, an extra fridge or freezer out here. Really just depends on what your vision is for it. And then along this hallway, we've got another window looking out to the front entryway. So this is a split floor plan design. All the three non-primary bedrooms are on the right side of the home, and then the master is tucked away in the back left-hand corner of the home here. Here we are in the master. We've got a bit of a ceiling vault going up, and these beautiful, 5 beautiful picture windows looking out into the backyard. Really nice sized master right here. And then another window off to the side of the yard. Since these are picture windows behind me here, this window could be used for, getting in and out in the case of an emergency. Off to the side yard there. Got double doors opening up to your master bath. And we've got standalone tub right there, separate vanities, and then transom window above, and then this big picture window there letting in natural light. They're all fogged, so that's perfect for privacy. Got a nice linen closet in here, and a beautiful walk-in shower here. So we've got a bench seat in here, 2 controls, some more storage up there. Got the shower head there, and then a rain shower head up there. Love that. Nice, beautiful tile work all the way up. And you've got a door closing off the toilet right here. And then the master closet we talked about earlier. Lots and lots of space here in the master closet. Got all your data cables and everything set up right there. And then once again, the door that goes right through to the laundry room. And then out to the 2-car garage with the mud bench area. And then the entryway, the office here. All right, let's check out this huge back porch. This home has tons of space for entertainment. This back porch is really, really deep. And then it comes around all this side as well. So you could really host some nice gatherings out here. And then the yard, you really got a good bit of space back here as well, and side to side on the home. All right, y'all, once again, we're back out in Waxahachie, Texas in the Myrtle Creek subdivision. This is a master plan community. I've talked about it before, but you get lots and lots of amenities in this community. Hiking and biking trails, you've got playgrounds and common areas. You've got ponds out there that you'll be able to see. They're gonna have a lazy river with the pool that they're currently constructing, and then pickleball courts. So they've got all sorts of stuff here. And that is all for $1,300 per year for the HOA fee. So we've got lots of great builders in this neighborhood. This is one of them. This is the Coventry Crockett floor plan. And as you can see, it's very versatile and has a whole lot to offer. I think it would be perfect for a multi-generational living situation. You've got a nice split floor plan. And then the master in the back here, the other 3 bedrooms over here, each of them with access to their own bathroom, 2 of those being ensuite bathrooms. So really great floor plan, tons of space to spread out. So it's 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms with a 2-car garage, a little half garage off to the side there. And it's got an office up front, a really good size office and a really good size game room here in the back. It could flex up to a 5th bedroom if you wanted it to. It's 3,380 square foot, and it's all on this corner lot right here. It's 0.3, just over 0.3 acres. And so it's a really nice size lot as well. And it's coming in just under $732,000 currently. Coventry does have other specials when you're working with their preferred lenders as well. Those do change, so I'm not gonna list those specials off in here, but if you got any questions about this home or any others that I cover, definitely reach out. We can talk through all of those details and get you the answers that you're looking for. I don't represent Coventry. I'm a local DFW area realtor, and I can help represent you. So if you're looking to move in and around DFW or move to DFW for the very first time, reach out to me and be more than happy to talk through your scenario and how we can make that work for you. So many of you have been telling me about your plans for 2026 and beyond, and it's been a pleasure getting to meet you all in person and then also over the phone or an online meeting. So it's always great connecting with you. Thank you for reaching out, and thank you so much for watching each and every week. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next week. Y'all take care.